Yo, yo, welcome back. And yeah, for today, uh, we have a podcast ulit. Ngayon lang ulit. Kasi, na-busy ako sa computer. Like, gawa kasi ng game na in-spend ako ng money. And yeah, gusto ko siya ibit yung game ko. Para worth it uh, yung expenses ko. And yun, so yeah, I'm Gab, and today we're gonna be talking about uh, situationship, love, and dating. Yeah, and love, dating. Yeah, I'm doing the finger thing, dating. So yeah, let's start. So um, let's dive right in. So ano guys, uh, okay, okay. So yun guys, welcome to the podcast. Ako nga pala si Kev. And yeah, today we're gonna be talking about the chaotic reality of being a Gen Z in 2026. And uh, and yeah, yung like yung mga modern dates ngayon is the situationship. Like, seriously, bakit ba tayo takot sa label? Why are we so obsessed with keeping things unnamed? Uh, yeah, let's talk about it. Okay guys, so be honest with me for a second. Traditional ligawan is kind of dead, you know? Like, kakanta, yung kakantahan, di ba? Yung magigitara ka sa harap, then kakantahan mo. Wala na yun. It's already dead. And yeah, today, dating is literally just exchanging TikTok memes, checking if they viewed your Instagram story, and analyzing the tone of their chats. Like, kahit walang like, na-experience nyo ba yun? Ano kasi yun eh, pet peeve ko minsan yun. Sa totoo lang, like, to be honest, yung mga nagtatanong sila pero walang question mark yung chats nila. Like, bruh, anong gagawin ko dun? And yun nga. So, yun. Nag-exchange ng memes, like, mga reels, TikTok reels, mga streak, ganun. Like, parang everything is a game lang. And yeah, we enter these situationships because they feel safe. And there's no pressure, no high expectations. And if things goes wrong, you can just ghost each other, right? No harm, no foul. Except there is harm. You end up crying over someone you weren't even officially dating. It's the ultimate delulu behavior. But yeah, honestly, we've all been there. Ewan ko ba na we crave connection so much, but the moment it gets real, we run away, right? But if we look closer, I think our fear of labels isn't just about being lazy. It's actually anxiety. Our generation is facing so much uncertainty, from school burnouts, like to career pressure, like parang we just don't have the emotional intelligence to handle a heavy relationship commitment. I mean, emotional responsibility. We are so hyper independent now. We tell ourselves, I need to focus on my goals first. Ayoko nang sakit sa ulo, so we settle for the half connections. But the irony is hiding behind the no labels. Actually, it gives us more anxiety, and yeah, because you're constantly wondering, ano ba talaga tayo? You can't even demand basic respect because technically, di naman kayo. It's exhausting, honestly. So, what's the takeaway here? Guys, yung advice ko dito, I mean, hindi ako love expert and hindi ako love expert, like, I'm just waiting for the right time and yeah, para mag-advise sa inyo. Pero, for me, ito lang yung advice ko kung if you're gonna listen, listen. So, yun guys, you should stop settling for situationships. If you know deep down you want the real thing, it's okay to want a label, pero yun nga, hindi ka bida-bida or needy for wanting clarity. You need to protect you need to protect your peace of mind because yeah, mahal na nga ang bilihin ngayon. Let's not waste our energy on people who only want us halfway. Ayun lang naman. And wala na akong masabi sa topic na to. Like, hindi ko alam kung ano masabi ko sa topic na to. Kasi nga, hindi ako like expert in this topic. Pero, yeah, may masasabi pa rin ako. I mean, hindi ako makapag like talkable or yapable sa mga bagay na ganito. Pero I can yap for like I mean for 5 minutes ganun. Pero ayun lang, hanggang 5 minutes lang kasi wala na talaga. It's nagamit ko na talaga lahat ng bag ko, like lahat ng baon ko. And yun guys, yun lang muna this for this episode. And yeah, bye bye.